Okay, so that is 381. Okay, so 381, we are going to substitute this later on. That is very important. So we need the sum for this part. Okay, so next. The next part is, this is the formula. Okay, so mauni ang atong formula for the simple linear regression. So in order for us to have this, we need to solve the y-intercept and the slope. Okay, so first is the slope. Okay, so the summation for this part, so mauni siya 381. That is why we calculate the sum in this part. So summation, that is 381 divided by the summation of the x, the square root of x. So here, the third part, that is 82.5. So 82.5. So 82.5, we are going to calculate that one. 381 divided by 82.5. So that is 4.61. 4.61818. Ilan ni kamay? 1818 upat. 18181818. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4 or 4.62. Okay, 4.62. Okay, so this is the 4.62. So that is for our slope. Okay, so we already have the slope. Okay, next. So, in order for us to solve the y-intercept, so we are going to have the sa B1, so the y-intercept. So so for the mean for the y, that is 81.8. 81.8 minus the b, which is 4.62 times the mean for our x. Mean for our x is 5.5. So 5.5. So 81.8 minus 4.62 times 5.5. So it times first 4.62 times 5.5. That is 25 minus 41. So 81.8 minus 25.4, 56.4. Okay, so 56.4. So, sa akong calculation, anak, here, so 81.8 plus 41, that is 56.39. So, sa cellphone na siya. So, 81.8, again, 81.8 plus 25.41 rather. That is, oh, shoot, minus the I. I'm so sorry. 81 minus 8 minus 25.41. Okay, sakto lagi. 56.39. I forgot the 1. So, 56.39. 39 or 56.4. Okay, so 56.39. Again, this is the solution. 81.8 minus 25.41. Nakaliptan ako or siya part. So, 41, that is 56.39. Okay, so 56.39, mauni ang ato y-intercept. And then, we already have the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so let us substitute. Okay, so from the formula given, y equals the y-intercept plus slope times x. Okay, so 56.39 plus 4.62 times 1, our x. Okay, so na ako'y a step-by-step solution for this. 4.62 times 1. And then 4.62 times 2. Kaya para madali ko. Okay, so here. Ani? So, mauna siya. 4.62. This one. Okay, so, for example. So, sa 2. 4.62 times 2, that is 9.24. 9.24 this part, plus 56, plus 56.39. Okay, so that is, okay, 65.63. So that is how I come up with this solution. Okay, so here is my, okay, so nanatanan. Okay, so arita, sa 10 na. Okay, so it takes a lot of time in solving. Okay, so sa 10. So 10, 4.62 times 10. 4.62 times 10. That is 46.2. Sakto, 46.2. Mauni siya nga part na ani. Plus 56. Plus 56.39. That is, okay, 102.59. Okay, so sakto. So, mauna siya atong given. So, we already have the y. Okay, so, I am done substituting. So, from the given formula, so we have the answers. The dependent variables, substitute variables, and the y here. Substitute ta sa ato ang number 60 minus 61.01. That is, okay, so negative 1.01. So since that is minus naman ta, ato pa na siyang square. Do not forget to square that one para correct ato ang answer. So 1.02.01. Okay, so by the way, I already have an answer for that. Where is it? Okay, so kani siya. So akong gi-minus sa una para dili ko maglibog. So I have the answers here. So kani siya, mao na siya. Okay, so number 2. Let us proceed number 2. Kung sakto ba 65 minus 65.63. So mao na siya, negative 0.63. Then squared, that is 0.39.69. So, correct. So, we are going to add all of this. Okay, so we are going to add all of these. Okay, so, plus, naanak ko 6.39 plus 1.0201 plus 0.0625 plus 0.0169 plus 0.2601 plus 0.7921 plus 1.6129 plus 2.7225 plus 4.1209 plus 21.0681. Okay, so that is the last part. Okay, and then, okay, so sakto siya, 32.073. Okay, so 32.73. So kani siya, it is our residual variance, and the total variance is here. Kani siya. This is the total variance, which is 1,781.6. Okay, substitute. Okay, so substitute na to here. And then the total variance divided by 1,791.6. Okay, so mauna siya. 0.0179. Taas kayo. Here. Sakto. Okay, so atong i-minus siya. 1 minus 0.01790187542. Okay, so 0.9820981246, or our group decided to have it 4 decimal points, so 0.9821. Okay, we are going to round off this one. Okay, so, or it is the 98%. Okay, so that is all for our manual solution for simple linear regression. That's all for today.